Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the home for real-world Jeep upgrades, off-road mods, and honest Amazon reviews. Today, we're diving into something every Wrangler JK owner needs: the best cold air intake for Jeep JK 3.6L. From power boosts to engine sound improvements, we've tested the top options so you can pick what truly performs. Make sure to stick around till the end, because we'll reveal which one gives the best mix of performance, value, and that deep Jeep growl you'll love. Number 5. Cold Air Intake System High-Flow Inlet. If you're after both style and substance, this high-flow cold air intake system for the 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 3.6L delivers a great blend of performance, durability, and visual appeal. The red powder-coated intake piping instantly stands out under the hood, while the high-flow filter maximizes air intake volume, helping the engine breathe better and respond faster. Drivers report improved acceleration and a slightly better fuel economy after a week of driving. The sound it adds under throttle is aggressive but smooth, just enough to make your Jeep roar when you floor it. The aluminum tubing paired with a precision heat shield ensures that the intake air remains cool even during long off-road runs or in hot climates. Installation is straightforward with basic tools, and the fitment is well aligned with factory mounts. It's a great choice for Jeep owners who want a noticeable improvement in engine response and aesthetics without overspending. Number 4. Cold Air Intake Kit Compatible. The 10479 aluminum cold air intake kit is a solid all-around option for Jeep JK 3.6L owners who want a reliable mix of performance and durability. Constructed from high-quality aluminum and featuring a heat shield, this system effectively channels cooler air into your engine, enhancing horsepower, torque, and throttle responsiveness. The powder-coated surface not only adds a rugged look but also protects against corrosion from water and dirt, making it trail-ready. Users highlight smoother gear transitions and a more responsive pedal feel after installation. The sound output is refined, a deep but not overwhelming tone that adds character without drone. Installation typically takes about 45 minutes with basic tools, and all necessary hardware is included. Many reviewers also appreciate the perfect fitment, requiring little to no modification. Overall, this intake offers near-premium performance at a reasonable price, making it a go-to choice for daily drivers and weekend off-roaders alike. Number 3. Cold Air Intake Kit with Heat Shield Fit. This cold air intake kit with heat shield is designed to give your Jeep JK 3.6L a stronger airflow and a deeper growl, ideal for drivers who want improved acceleration and engine sound without expensive tuning. Its aluminum intake tube and heat shield combo effectively block hot engine air, letting only cool airflow directly into the combustion chamber for maximum efficiency. Most users report a noticeable boost in mid-range torque and quicker throttle response, especially during highway merging or off-road climbs. The high-flow filter is washable and reusable, meaning less maintenance cost over time. Installation is beginner-friendly, with clear instructions and pre-fitted components that line up well with OEM mounting points. For its price, it delivers performance close to premium brands, making it a solid pick for budget-conscious Jeepers looking for reliability, style, and power enhancement. Number 2. Performance Cold Air Intake Piping Kit. This Performance Cold Air Intake Piping Kit is a stylish and functional upgrade for Jeep JK owners who want a balance of looks and power. The black and red design adds a custom touch under the hood, while the aluminum intake pipe improves airflow efficiency compared to the factory setup. It's engineered to fit the 3.6L V6 precisely, ensuring consistent air delivery and optimized combustion. Users have noted smoother acceleration and slightly improved gas mileage after installation. It's an especially good choice for those who want a mild performance increase without spending on high-end branded kits. The installation is mostly plug-and-play, though some users mention tightening clamps for a snug fit. When paired with a quality air filter, it performs surprisingly well even in dusty or humid off-road conditions. In short, this intake kit delivers reliable performance, a sporty tone, and a custom look that stands out, all at a budget-friendly price. Number 1. Rough Country Cold Air Intake. If you want a trusted performance boost without breaking the bank, the Rough Country 10550 cold air intake is a great pick. Designed specifically for 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 3.6L models, it offers excellent airflow improvement and increased engine efficiency. The reusable air filter ensures long-term savings, while the precision-engineered heat shield keeps intake temperatures cooler, especially useful in off-road or high-temperature environments. Users love its straightforward installation process. Most report fitting it in under an hour using standard tools. It provides a noticeable difference in throttle response and a deeper, sportier sound that makes your Jeep feel more alive. The powder-coated intake tube also adds durability against rust and moisture, making it reliable for both trail and street performance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next upgrade video. Tell us in the comments which cold air intake you would choose for your JK 3.6L and why. We've dropped all the Amazon links down in the description for easy access. Until next time, keep your Jeep dirty and your adventures wild.